For countless generations, humanity has lifted its gaze toward the night sky, drawn by a quiet but persistent curiosity about what lies beyond the limits of its world. The stars scattered across the darkness have never been perceived as mere distant objects. They have served as guides, mysteries, and silent witnesses to the passage of time. Ancient civilizations traced patterns among them, using the heavens to navigate oceans, mark seasons, and construct early systems of meaning that attempted to explain existence itself. Yet even as knowledge advanced, one truth remained unchanged. The universe is far more vast, far more intricate, and far more mysterious than it first appears. As centuries passed, observation gradually transformed into science. What was once interpreted through myth began to be measured, tested, and refined through evidence. The invention of telescopes marked a turning point in human perception, revealing that the faint points of light in the sky were not fixed or simple. They were distant suns, complex systems, and eventually entire galaxies extending far beyond imagination. Each improvement in observational power did not simplify the cosmos, it expanded it. In the 20th century, this understanding underwent a dramatic shift. The development of the Big Bang theory provided a structured framework for describing the origin of the universe. According to this model, everything we observe today emerged from an extremely hot, dense state approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Space itself began expanding, carrying matter and energy outward, forming stars, galaxies, and the vast cosmic web that defines large-scale structure. This framework explained many observations with remarkable accuracy. The expansion of space, the cosmic microwave background radiation, and the distribution of galaxies across immense distances all aligned with its predictions. For a time, it appeared as though humanity had reached a stable and complete understanding of the universe's origin story. A coherent narrative had formed, and the cosmos seemed to obey it. But the deeper we look, the more that narrative begins to shift. Recent observations have revealed galaxies that appear far more developed than expected for their cosmic age. These structures are not small or chaotic collections of matter gradually assembling over time. Instead, they exhibit organization, mass distribution, and chemical maturity that should require significantly longer periods to form. Their existence suggests either that galaxy formation occurred much faster in the early universe than current models allow, or that fundamental aspects of cosmic evolution remain incomplete. At the same time, closer to home in cosmic terms, certain stars are challenging the precision of our measurement systems. One well-known example is an ancient star often referred to as Methuselah. Its estimated age, based on current stellar models, appears to approach or in some calculations even exceed the age of the universe itself. This does not imply that the star predates the cosmos, but rather highlights limitations in our methods. Stellar age estimation relies on indirect indicators such as luminosity, chemical composition, and evolutionary modeling. Small uncertainties in these inputs can produce large variations in final results. Even so, such anomalies remind us that our frameworks are powerful but not absolute. To grasp the scale of cosmic time more intuitively, scientists often turn to analogy. If the entire history of the universe were compressed into a single calendar year, the Big Bang would occur on January 1st. Earth would form in the final hours of December 31st. Human civilization, in its entirety, would occupy only the last few seconds before midnight. This perspective emphasizes the brevity of human existence relative to cosmic time, while also highlighting how recently we have begun to understand the universe at all. Despite this brief presence, humanity has uncovered extraordinary truths. Yet even within these discoveries, uncertainty persists. Some researchers have proposed alternative interpretations of cosmological data, suggesting that the universe may be older than current estimates indicate. These ideas remain speculative and require further evidence, but they illustrate an important point. Even foundational parameters are still subject to refinement. Within our own galaxy, new data continues to reshape understanding. Observations of stellar motion and galactic rotation suggest that the total visible mass of the Milky Way may be lower than previously assumed. This directly impacts models involving dark matter, the invisible substance thought to exert gravitational influence across cosmic structures. Together with dark energy, dark matter is believed to constitute roughly 95% of the universe. Ordinary matter, the stars, planets, and life we can directly observe, accounts for only a small fraction. This imbalance presents a profound mystery. The majority of the universe is composed of components that cannot be directly seen, only inferred through their gravitational effects. Even as observational tools improve, the fundamental nature of these components remains unknown. Meanwhile, the search for life beyond Earth has entered a new and more detailed phase. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered orbiting distant stars, many of them unlike anything found in our solar system. Some are covered in global oceans, others possess thick and complex atmospheres, and a few exhibit chemical signatures that suggest active processes occurring on or beneath their surfaces. The study of these worlds has evolved from simple detection to deep atmospheric analysis. Scientists can now examine temperature distributions, molecular compositions, and even weather patterns on planets hundreds of light-years away. This represents a major shift in capability, allowing us not only to find distant worlds but to begin understanding their environments in detail. This progress brings humanity closer to addressing one of its oldest questions: whether it is alone in the universe. So far, no definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life has been found. However, current instruments are capable of detecting indirect biosignatures, subtle chemical imbalances that may indicate biological activity. Each new observation adds another fragment to an increasingly complex and evolving picture. At the same time, theoretical frameworks continue to expand the boundaries of possibility. Concepts such as the multiverse propose that our universe may be only one of many, each governed by its own physical laws and constants. While these ideas remain speculative, they reflect the depth of inquiry that modern cosmology now explores. Questions that once belonged to philosophy are increasingly entering the realm of testable science. Even large-scale cosmic structures continue to present unresolved puzzles. Observations of galaxy clusters reveal motions and distributions that do not always align with theoretical predictions. Some regions appear to behave as though influenced by unseen forces or previously unaccounted for structures. These anomalies do not invalidate existing models, but they highlight areas where understanding remains incomplete. Despite these uncertainties, one principle remains constant: scientific knowledge is not static. It evolves continuously in response to new evidence. Each discovery resolves certain questions while revealing new layers of complexity. This iterative process is not a weakness of science but its defining strength. The universe itself is not static either. It is dynamic, evolving, and shaped by processes operating across scales far beyond human perception. Stars are born, evolve, and collapse. Galaxies merge and transform. Matter flows through cosmic structures over billions of years, continuously reshaping the visible universe. Within this immense system, humanity occupies a small but meaningful position. We are observers capable of reflecting on the cosmos that produced us. The elements within our bodies were forged in ancient stars, dispersed through supernovae, and eventually assembled into planets, oceans, and living systems. In this sense, we are not separate from the universe, but expressions of it attempting to understand itself. As observational technology continues to advance, our reach will extend further into space and deeper into time. New instruments will detect fainter signals, resolve finer structures, and uncover details currently beyond comprehension. Each generation will build upon the discoveries of the previous one, gradually expanding the boundaries of known reality. The journey of understanding is far from complete. The universe remains vast, layered, and filled with unanswered questions. Yet with every step forward, humanity moves closer not only to understanding the cosmos, but to understanding its own place within it. And somewhere within that vast expanse, it is possible that the answers already exist, encoded in faint light, hidden in subtle patterns, and waiting patiently for the moment they are finally recognized.